Welcome to this transformative journey where we'll venture deep into the profound teachings of Neville Goddard. While his work is widely recognized for the power of desire, imagination, and attention, we're about to explore a fresh perspective on these fundamental principles. Together, we will uncover the three missing keys that often elude mainstream understanding. Before we continue, make sure to hit the subscribe button so that we stay motivated to share the best content. This is a quick shout out to a fantastic new channel called Manifestation that's all about manifesting and creating your dream life. If you're into manifesting abundance and positive vibes, you've got to check them out. Click the link in the description to subscribe and join the manifestation journey. Let's support each other on this path to greatness. Desire is the first key, the unspoken ignition of transformation. It goes beyond just wishing for something. It's an unquenchable fire that drives you to evolve. Neville Goddard emphasizes that without this intense burning desire for change, progress remains a distant dream. It's the starting point for a personal revolution, as it initiates the shift from what is to what can be. Imagine desire as the spark that sets your intentions ablaze, pushing you to seek a new version of yourself and a life enriched with new experiences. It's not just a passive wish. It's a compelling force urging you to reach new heights. So let's dive deeper into this potent force of desire. Imagine a life where you're unapologetically passionate about your goals. It's that irresistible urge to transform, to be different from your current self. This desire is the foundation of every successful journey because it fuels the determination to overcome obstacles. It's not just a wish, but a resounding call to action. The second key is imagination, a realm often underappreciated in our rational world. Your imagination isn't confined to childlike fantasies. It's your portal to the limitless. It enables you to experience the vivid reality of your heart's desire before it's realized in the external world. Think of imagination as a bridge that connects your current reality to the uncharted territories of your dreams. Neville Goddard's teachings stress that your imagination is your secret weapon. It allows you to mold the shapeless clay of possibilities into your desired form. If you can picture it, you can manifest it. Imagination isn't just about visualizing. It's about feeling the essence of your desires, about making them palpable within the theater of your mind. When you close your eyes, you're not merely daydreaming. You're creating a vivid inner world where your wishes come alive. Consider imagination as a canvas where you can paint the masterpiece of your future. It's not confined by the laws of the physical world. Through imagination, you transcend these limitations, connecting with your inner potential, which is boundless. It's a tool that, when harnessed effectively, enables you to bring forth the intangible and make it real. To understand the power of imagination fully, let's explore the practical steps to employ it creatively. Now let's delve into the third key, attention. It's the sustaining force that nurtures your desired state. Attention is like the spotlight that keeps your desires illuminated, ensuring they don't fade into obscurity. To manifest your goals, you must concentrate your focus on the feeling of your wishes being fulfilled. Imagine it as a constant reaffirmation of the reality you intend to create. When you gain control over your internal world and steer your attention, you gain the ability to modify and alter your life as you see fit. This isn't a passive process. It's an active commitment to shaping your existence. In a world filled with distractions, your attention becomes your anchor to the desired state. It's the driving force that can alter your current circumstances, making them malleable and responsive to your inner vision. The key to success lies in the mastery of your attention. In a world where our minds often flit from one thing to another, the power to sustain focus is the ultimate superpower. When your attention is held steadfastly on the wish fulfilled, it acts as a magnetic force, drawing your desired reality closer to you. The practice of channeling your attention becomes the cornerstone of the intricate interplay of these three keys: desire, imagination, and attention. They aren't isolated elements but work together seamlessly to manifest your goals. Think of desire as the spark that ignites the fire within you. It's the initial push that propels you towards change. Imagination acts as the bridge between your current reality and the world of your dreams. It transforms abstract desires into tangible experiences within your mind. Attention, in turn, sustains the fire, keeping your focus unwaveringly on the wish fulfilled. When these keys work harmoniously, they unlock the kingdom of heaven within you. This internal realm is where all your desires and potentials reside. By applying these principles, you learn to assume the states of your desires from within. Even when your external circumstances seem contrary, you hold the power to create your desired reality because it already exists within you. When you can assume any state at will, you've discovered the kingdom of heaven within. What makes these keys so elusive? The missing keys in Neville Goddard's teachings are often overshadowed by the surface interpretations. They're like hidden treasures waiting to be unearthed. Here's why they are frequently overlooked. Firstly, desire, imagination, and attention seem deceptively simple. Desire is commonly understood as merely wanting something. Imagination is often seen as child's play. Attention, in a world teeming with distractions, is a fleeting commodity. The profundity of these principles often gets overshadowed by their apparent simplicity. Secondly, we live in a world that constantly demands evidence through our physical senses. If we can't see it, touch it, hear it, or smell it, it's often dismissed as fanciful thinking. This worldly perspective undermines the power of your internal world, the realm where these keys operate. It is in the unseen, unmanifested, and intangible where the true magic happens. Thirdly, the fast-paced, instant gratification culture we live in undermines the patience and persistence needed to work with these keys effectively. Desire, imagination, and attention require dedicated practice and an unwavering focus on your goals. In a world that encourages quick fixes and shortcuts, the subtlety of these keys often gets lost. Now that we've unveiled these hidden keys, let's dive deeper into how you can apply them in your life. Start by clearly defining your desires. What do you want to change in your life? It might be related to health, finances, relationships, or personal growth. The more specific and vivid your desires, the more potent your desire becomes. Cultivate that burning desire within you. Surround yourself with reminders of your goals. Create vision boards, write affirmations, or simply visualize your desired state. Keep that fire alive and growing. Regularly remind yourself why you desire this change. What will it bring into your life? What impact will it have on you and those around you? By connecting your desires to a higher purpose, you'll enhance your motivation. Set aside time each day for focused visualization. Close your eyes and imagine your desired state as vividly as possible. Feel the emotions associated with achieving your goals. Immerse yourself in the experience. Engage all your senses in your imagination. Don't just see your desired reality. Feel it, hear it, taste it, and even smell it. The more sensory-rich your visualizations, the more potent they become. Develop a mental sanctuary where you can escape to whenever you want. This is your space for creative imagination, free from external distractions. Here, you can cultivate your desires with utmost clarity. Develop the habit of mindfulness to enhance your attention span. Start with short periods of focused attention. Gradually, increase the time spent in deep concentration. Identify common distractions in your life and take steps to eliminate or reduce them. This might mean cutting down on screen time, organizing your workspace, or creating a peaceful environment for meditation. Before you direct your attention, set clear intentions. Define what you want to focus on and why it's important. These intentions will guide your attention, preventing it from drifting. By consistently applying these practical strategies, you align yourself with the keys of desire, imagination, and attention. Over time, you'll find that they become second nature, and your ability to manifest is not about instant gratification, but a profound transformation of your being. It's a process that evolves with time and practice. You may encounter obstacles, doubts, or setbacks along the way, but don't be discouraged. These challenges are opportunities for growth and refinement. As you cultivate your desire, enrich your imagination, and sharpen your attention, you embark on a path to discovering your inner kingdom of heaven. This realm is not a distant destination, but an ever-present reality within you. By consistently applying these keys, you'll come to realize that the power to shape your life resides not outside, but within your very being. In conclusion, we hope this exploration of the missing keys in Neville Goddard's teachings has shed new light on the potential for transformation and manifestation within you. The world is filled with distractions and skepticism, but your internal world, where these keys operate, remains a sanctuary of untapped potential. You have the power to harness desire, imagination, and attention to unlock the profound changes you seek. We invite you to share your thoughts, experiences, and insights in the comments section. Your journey can inspire and support others on their path to transformation. If you wish to dive deeper into these concepts, consider exploring our free masterclass or the opportunity to work together through our program. We're here to support you as you unlock the hidden treasures within and step into the extraordinary power of these keys. You must watch our latest video on the topic, Fundamental Creativity is the Manifestation of Perceived Reality. In this video, we will be telling about the realms of philosophy for life as we share profound teachings from renowned thinkers like Neville Goddard. Discover how the law of assumption can shape your reality and unlock your full potential. Click on the I button on the top right corner of the video for the link. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others on their journey. Thank you for joining us on this transformative journey. We eagerly anticipate our next exploration together as you continue to unfold the remarkable potential of your inner kingdom of heaven.